It's here. Good day, you beautiful people. Launched along the F8 Ultra, POCO also launched the POCO F8 Pro. Now, while I also have a video of the F8 Ultra, I'll link it up here and down below. This video is about the Pro. We're gonna be unboxing this. We're gonna take our first look, see what the fuss is about, and of course, some sample shots. Let's go. So the POCO F8 Pro is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. It reps a 6,200 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the Ultra. And this phone also collaborates with Bose when it comes to their sound tuning, although this specific variant only gets dual speakers. Which is weird saying only for dual speakers, because usually we're all for dual speakers on smartphones. It's just that the Ultra delivered over and beyond with a third subwoofer. This is the POCO F8 Pro, and I think I'm liking this clean, sleek look. So this back is supposedly one-piece milled glass, and it really does give a stylish look to this phone. So you get a camera bump on this phone as well. Again, whoa, wait, this is even thinner than the bump on the Ultra. You still get Bose branding up here. And yes, for the F8 series, POCO did partner with Bose to tune their audio. Now, this phone features a 6,210 mAh battery. On the bottom, you get your speakers, USB-C, SIM tray. On the right side, you get your volume rocker and lock button. And up top, yes, still speakers. That is a flat screen. You get a selfie camera up front. And yes, this thing is very fast and responsive. Now, before we end this hands-on session, let me put it beside the F8 Ultra. So as you can see, these two phones look slightly similar. Obviously, the backs are different, though you get the same camera bump and look on both. The Ultra, of course, has the actual speaker on the back here. Now, in terms of camera, the Ultra gets you more with a 50 megapixel main shooter with OIS, a 50 megapixel telescope camera that does 5 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel wide plus a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. That is versus the 50 megapixel main shooter on the F8 Pro with a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, but on the Pro you get an 8 megapixel wide and a 20 megapixel front-facing camera. Everything else, placements look the same. Now, this phone also has AI features. You have stuff like AI Boost, AI Interpreter, and of course, AI features for editing photos you took with this phone. I did a more in-depth elaboration of these AI features on my POCO F8 Ultra video. If you haven't seen it already, check it out. Now, on to the camera tour. Right, time for a quick camera tour. So this is photo, and we have wide 1x, 2x, 2.5x, 5x up until, wait, still going, it's still 30 times zoom. And here we have the toggle for ultra zoom on or off, auto on, and then we can do back to 1x. Now here you have the exposure settings, you have your different filters, there is a beautify mode, and then you have flash settings, motion capture, Google Lens, and then more settings, and you can also shoot in 50 megapixels. You have your super macro, your watermark, and then you have dynamic shot here. On the right, you have your portrait. You can do 1x, 2x, 2.5x, 5x up until, well, 2.5x. You can blur the background more or less, and then you have the same beautify mode and filters. Here, you also have a flash settings. Then you have a document scanner, can be very useful. Now on the other side, you get wide 1x, 2x, 2.5x, 5x up until 10x, and this is 1080p 30 FPS. You can do 4K 30 or 8K 30 FPS as well. Now here you have your exposure settings, you have your different filters, there's a beautify mode, there's also bokeh settings, and then drop down you have your super macro, aspect ratio, there's a shoot steady mode, there's a teleprompter mode, a night mode, and your flash settings up here. On the right is a pro mode that lets you go wide 1x 2.5 up until still going, how far, 25x back to wide, and you can shoot JPEG or RAW, and then, well, you have even more settings up here. You can also do video mode, and this lets you do wide 1x 2x up until 7.5x, 1080p, 8K 30, 4K 30, and there's also an option for shooting in log, nice. And then on the selfie, anyway, you can do 1080p for 720 on selfie, no zooming in or out, and then you have your fill light, torch light. On the other side, you have your photo, no zooming. Wait, there's a wide, and then you can do 1x. That's all you can do. Dynamic shot, more of your settings. Portrait mode does the same, wide and 1x. Toggle the blur here, and then of course your beauty mode and your filters, and then back to document. Now, here are some sample shots. Our first look at the POCO F8 Pro. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know what else you'd want to see me try with this phone. If you want to see me do a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.